Hi, everybody. She's my daughter. Her name is Sarvi, and she's 7 years old. She goes to second grade, and she wants me to take her to school this evening. She wants to tell me about what happens at her school this evening. I've never attended a U.S. elementary school, so I don't know about the school system that much, but my daughter actually helps me understand, and she educates me in this front. So, Sarvi, can you tell me what is what is it this evening that happens? What's the name of the event that is going to happen at your school?
Yes, it is called Spirit Night or Parents Meeting. You can say whatever you want, and the teacher tells the parents how your child is doing,
Mm-hmm.
and how well they are and what they like, and they give us papers that their child made to their parents.
Oh, so you wrote a letter to your parents?
Yes.
Did you? Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So your teacher is going to give me the letter. Is that right?
Yeah.
And what else? What else are we going to do this evening when we go to that spirit night at your school?
Your my the teacher will
Mm-hmm.
the teacher will talk to the parents for like 10 minutes or 12 or 20 minutes, and the children can stay on the rug and sitting with their friends.
Mm-hmm.
Olivia's going there, and I am going there too, so I'm excited to go to Spirit Night.
Okay, so your friend Olivia will be there as well.
Yes.
So you can have some fun with her.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that all about it, or do you want to add anything? Do you have anything to add, or is it all about it?
So.
What else?
So. I think the teacher will say that your child or children are doing great or doing really bad.
Okay. Are you nervous or are you excited?
I'm excited to know how good I am or bad I am.
Okay, got it. So shall we say goodbye?
Yes.
Okay. Bye, everyone.
Bye.